How to fix video call problem on Messenger. If you're having trouble with video calls on Messenger, then try these fixes. First of all, check your internet connection. Swipe down the control panel from the top right corner of your screen and make sure you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If your connection is slow, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. Once there, restart Messenger and your device. Close the Messenger app completely and reopen it. Also, try restarting your phone or computer to refresh the system. Once done so, try going to the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings app, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Apps option available there. Inside Apps, scroll down and look for the Messenger option available and tap on it. Now make sure your microphone and camera access is turned on. If not, then simply toggle that switch on. Now again, go back to the home screen and this time tap on the App Store option available there. Once inside the App Store, tap on the search address bar and search for the Messenger app. Then tap on the Messenger, and if there is an update available, then update it to the latest version. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.